Okay, this is it. This is my baby. This is Helen. This is her new engine from Schwalm's out in Pennsylvania. I had them rebuild the engine and transmission and put a little bit of upgrades in her. So let's tell you what we got. Rebuilt the Model A long block, a new 5.5 high compression head, balanced the engine components, crank rods and pistons, counterbalanced the crankshaft, performance intake valves, Type 1 lightened flywheel with a V8 pressure plate, new clutch disc, new camshaft, installed cam bearings, machine for oversized tappets, resurfaced manifold side of block, add a new water pump, rebuild the transmission, the shift tower, the bell housing and pedals, the seal shifter shafts, and the bell housing bolts. My engine also required 5 helicoils for the head studs, and they sent it back to me in 32 days. From the day I shipped it to the day I got it back, 32 days. New Babbitted. This is freaking awesome. I'm going to try starting it for the first time here in a couple minutes, but I think I have everything ready to go. They're telling me in the break-in procedure to use Valvoline 2050 VR1 Racing oil with a high zinc content. They're recommending this for the full break-in period and then all oil changes after that at 500 miles. I'm totally okay with that. I've done 15,000 miles in 3 years, and I change and lube the car every 500 miles no matter what. I'm in love with it. I can't tell you, I can't say anything else. This is, I can't wait to start it. This is going to be so much fun. So let's try it out. Okay, here we go. This will be the first startup of the new Schwalm's engine. This is my 31 town sedan. So let's give it a go. Gas is on, oil's in it, radiator is filled with distilled water and water wetter per the break-in instructions. That's what they asked me to run, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. And they want me to run it for 15 minutes at half advance and a blip under idle, or a blip over idle. So just a little bit faster than idle. Let's give this a go. Key on, gas on, start and choke. She started. This is so awesome. This is it. This is the first start of the new engine. That's pretty amazing. No problems. The break-in instructions require the engine to run for 10 to 15 minutes just above idle with the spark half advanced. After 10 to 15 minutes of running, allow the engine to cool down. Repeat this process for a total of 2 hours running time. For the third hour stationary engine running, increase the period of running from 20 to 30 minutes, again just above idle with the spark half advanced. Engine acceleration during this period is acceptable with momentary bursts only, then returning to just above idle. So this is 3 hours of this cycle, 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. So this will be pretty straightforward. Thanks for watching, guys.